Ready? Whee! You enjoying it? Good.
This is how high the gas should Let's tell you. The top one to do it. Get the nice view. Close your eyes and open. Bertie, just close your eyes.
We're going backwards.
You didn't know we stayed at the top.
Is that what he says?
That was the mother.
You like Bertie?